What's the meaning of benighted? Benighted. Benighted.
Benighted. Benighted. The term benighted is often used to describe a state of ignorance, lack of knowledge, or being in the dark about something. It can refer to both an individual's personal lack of awareness or a more widespread societal ignorance. The term is typically used in a negative context, highlighting a deficiency in understanding or enlightenment. It emphasizes a sense of being trapped or stuck in a particular mindset or perspective and missing out on opportunities for growth and change. Overall, benighted conveys a sense of being left behind or falling behind in a rapidly changing world, and serves as a call to action to seek out knowledge and understanding.